What's up guys, today's video is on the best propane torches. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Bernzomatic Propane Torch. The Bernzomatic Trigger Start Hose Torch is the top propane torch online for welding with gas, soldering, or brazing. It's a small and well-built tool that has a long nozzle that keeps the flame out of your fingers and is shaped so that you can comfortably place the flame at the correct working angle. It is among the few torches that come with a long hose that makes it easy to move around effortlessly without causing injury to your hand or struggling to maintain an awkward posture. It comes with a trigger that you can press to switch the flame on and off in a flash and also keep it in a steady flame with no need to hold the trigger. If you'd like to adjust the flame by hand while using it, you can press or let the trigger a number of times to alter the flame. This is an exclusive characteristic that only a few other torches feature. Number 2. HotMax 500G Torch. This HotMax 500G torch is similar to a miniature flamethrower made to send out a wide flame. It's not ideal to braze, gas weld, or solder. However, it's among the most efficient ways to heat up cast iron or steel. Before you start welding, the barrel of the flame measures 3 inches wide. It produces a large flame, yet is an acceptable choice for daily home use. The hose's length of 10 inches gives ample space to make your work easier without dragging the propane container with the rest of your. The handle features a molded rubber grip that ensures it stays in your hands in the event that you need it to. The torch measures almost 3 feet in length to ensure that the flame remains at a safe distance during usage. Number 3. TurboTorch Propane Torch. The TurboTorch 0386-0403 is our second favorite torch for soldering and gas welding. It's distinct in comparison to the Bernzomatic Trigger Start Hose Torch in that it does not have a hose nor a built-in ignition. It's just a torch to guide the flame from a tiny propane tank to where you'll need it. The nozzle can rotate 360 degrees without difficulty, which makes it easier to use than another torch that attaches straight to propane tanks without a hose. It's a sturdy device that's not easily broken even though it appears tiny. It's extremely effective and performs exactly what you require to accomplish. It's not made to be used for large-scale projects because it produces a fine to medium gauge flame. However, it does have a wide flame adjustability range, which is below a medium-sized. It's also cleaner than the Bernzomatic Trigger Start Torch. This isn't our top pick, but it's the top propane torch with no hose. Number 4. Worthington Propane Torches. It's the Worthington 336737 is yet another portable gas welding device that connects directly to propane tanks that are small in size. It's an affordable option. Even though it's not a top-quality torch, it's efficient. However, to start your flame, you have just pull on the trigger, turn the gas valve in place, and the flame will start immediately. It's like the Bernzomatic Trigger Start Hose Torch, only there is no manual control of flame using the trigger. To stop the flame from burning, you must turn the gas valve off rather than pulling the trigger. The adjustment of flames is made by means of the gas valve, and it creates a wide assortment of small to medium-sized flames that are suitable for the majority of brazing, soldering, and welding requirements. Its angle torch nozzle can be useful for getting into tricky welding areas comfortably, but it's not an extended nozzle. Number 5. George Grill Torch. This George Grill Torch is primarily made for lighting charcoal. However, it can be helpful for workshops. It's a premium product with an easy-to-handle on the other end that can hold the torch. However, it's not made to be used with a hose, which is why it has to be connected directly to propane bottles. The integrated ignition makes it simple to ignite. It's not the greatest control for ignition. However, it's more efficient than lighting the torch. There's plenty of flame control, and it's simple to adjust to your desired size. The size of the flame is somewhere between the small gas welding flame as well as a huge preheating flame. It's just a bit too large for brazing or gas welding, but if you're careful you may be able to perform mild brazing. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.